I am just a skincare enthusiast and not a professional, so if you have any skin issues, kindly see a dermatologist. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and also welcome to the Know Your Active series, where we learn about a particular skincare active and try to make an informed decision about our skincare products. And in today's video, we will be learning about a rising star in skincare active, the niacinamide. So let's begin. Niacinamide, also known as this thing, is the physiological active form of vitamin B3 or niacin, and because it's water soluble, it can be made into many different skincare formulas. So why do we need it? Niacinamide replenishes skin moisture, tames and prevents acne, is an antioxidant, boosts collagen synthesis, reduces hyperpigmentation, and is anti-inflammatory. So many benefits. So if you were confused about the benefits of niacinamide, these are all of them, or I would say a handful of them that I found reading only a few research papers. But I like to know the whys and the hows, so I decided to dig a little deeper and investigate it more, discuss a little bit more about the structure of the skin and its really important components and how niacinamide fits into all of it. But if you're not interested in that and you're just here for what niacinamide does, then feel free to skip this part and move on to the next chapter. So here is a cross-section of a normal skin layer. We have the epidermis, which is the outermost, and then in the middle we have the dermis, and the innermost layer is called the hypodermis, or also subcutaneous layer. And in the epidermis, the outermost layer is called the stratum corneum, which serves as a part of the skin that is in direct contact with the outside world like air and acts as the first barrier or defense of the skin. Now let's learn about some important skin components, beginning with ceramides, which are present in the stratum corneum and play an important role in maintaining water permeability, helping your skin from dehydration and aging. So when ceramides are low, all of these skin problems kind of come to life. Melanocytes are pigment-producing cells in the lower part of epidermis and gives your skin the distinct color or melanin that you see. It also helps protect the skin from UV rays, so more exposure to sun means more melanin production and therefore darker your skin gets or skin tanning. Sebaceous glands in the dermis produces oil or sebum and perform many important functions. But when there is excess sebum production, like in the oily skin types, there is a really high chance of getting acne, or when there is really low sebum production, like in the dry skin types, you get other related issues. And lastly, collagen present in the dermis is produced by these cells called fibroblasts and are really important for skin elasticity. So lesser collagen means more wrinkles and eminent skin aging. So how does niacinamide actually helps? Well, when applied topically, niacinamide increases ceramide production up to 5 times, resulting in a healthy skin barrier and prevents moisture loss from the epidermis. Research has shown that aged skin has significantly less collagen, and topical application of niacinamide boosted collagen synthesis by 54% from the fibroblasts. By minimizing the oil production in the sebaceous glands, it helps control and prevent acne. It also inhibits the transfer of pigment to your skin surface and consequently reduces hyperpigmentation. And because of its anti-inflammatory properties, it helps minimize redness and acne-related inflammation. It is generally advised to use niacinamide with a strength of around 4 to 5% and to not mix it with other skincare actives such as vitamin C, as it may affect the vitamin C functions. I hope you actually learned something about our wonderful skin and how niacinamide fits into it and helps it make it better. Now personally, I've only used like 10% niacinamide serums and I haven't had any issues or side effects with it, but I would definitely say trust the science and research and opt for a lower strength of like 4 to 5% niacinamide serums because they always show result according to research. And also with an active like niacinamide, it usually takes around like 6 to 12 weeks to show results, so you have to be patient with it. And like always, like with any skincare, it's generally a marathon and not a sprint. So that is it for today, and I'll see you in my next one. Toodles! Okay, bye!